So in this scenario, we will cover this use case that says create a field on the account object that automatically displays the latest date and opportunity going to be closed. And we're talking about those opportunities that are related to the account. So similar to other scenarios on this use case also, we have to create a new field on the account object with the roll-up summary data type. Click next, give it a name. I'm going to say, give it a name as latest closing opportunity. And for this help text, you can add some help text there as well. Click next and select opportunity, select this max function and go ahead and select this close date. We don't have any filter, okay? We're not interested in anything. We're just considering all the opportunities and selecting the one which is closing the latest. And click next. All right. And go with standard and system admin profiles. Add it to all the page layouts and click save. And we will now go to our accounts and check that information. Let's do a hard refresh. Detail section. Latest closing opportunity is closing on this date. The earliest one is closing on this date. Latest one is closing on this date. And if you want to visually see it, we can see it from here. Under the related tab, check your opportunities, and then compare these dates, right? As you can see, the latest one is closing on November 24. Okay. So there's also another field. If you pay attention, if you realize, there's also this count function, right? So what it does is it counts the number of related records. So if I want to see how many opportunities this account or any particular account has, then I could use this count function. So this roll-up summary fields that we are creating, guys, on the account, they get displayed on all the account records, okay? So don't think that that field gets displayed on one particular account. No, it gets displayed on all of these account records. So for example, if you go to this account and detail section, you see those fields added to this account as well, but their values would be different as it is driven based on the opportunities this particular account has. This particular account would have different opportunities related to them, right? So that's why those values will obviously be different. So for example, going back to our previous use case, let's say whenever a user opens this or any other account record, and then when they check this detail section, they want to quickly know how many related opportunity records this record has. So the answer in our scenario is 10, right? We know that this account has 10 opportunities that are related to it. So I want a field over here that displays 10 in it, okay? Similarly, for other accounts, it will display a different number. For example, for this account, it would display 1 on this record page. Why? Because it has 1 opportunity as of now. If in the future more opportunities gets created and added to this account, then that number would, of course, change. Okay, so that's our requirement. So what do? We go here, fields and relationship, create one more field with data type roll-up summary, click next, and give it a name. I'm going to say total number of opportunities. And I'll give a better help text now. So this field displays total number of opportunities that are related to this record. Click next. Let's go with count. Go select the summarize object, which is opportunity. Go with count. Just select the count option. You don't have to do anything else. And we're checking all the opportunities, right? There's no filter also. Click next. Make this visible to the two profiles. Click next, save. Then it will go back to our opportunity, sorry, our account records and do a refresh and check that field. Details section and navigate down. Now this number says 1 for this Jones family account. If I go to a different account, for example, United Oil and Gas Corporation, then for this account, it shows me 10. Why? Because this particular account has 10 opportunities related to it. Okay. So that's how it goes.